Hi, welcome to my channel ShopZone. Are you looking for best top products on Amazon? Here will top products review on Amazon.
Number 6. Sealstron Inspire 100 AZ Refractor Telescope. About this item, easiest setup of any entry-level scope. With the folding accessory tray, you just pop the tripod legs open, turn the lock knob and you're ready to go. Bold new design. The main telescope lens cap comes with a fully integrated smartphone adapter built in, perfect for the budding astrophotography. Red LED flashlight, stowed in the center of the mount head. The flashlight can be used to gently illuminate the accessory tray or can be removed for use as a spotlight when needed. Focus micrometer, allows quick return to a specific focus point for specific targets, bird nests, infinity focus, etc. The asymmetrical mount design offers lightweight and incredible stability. Erect image optics enables a fully correct image for easy viewing day or night, terrestrial or astronomical. Number 5. NASA Lunar Telescope for Kids, 90x magnification, includes 2 eyepieces, tabletop tripod, and finder scope. Kids telescope for astronomy beginners, space toys, NASA gifts, Amazon exclusive. About this item, inspire curiosity. The NASA Lunar Telescope allows your child to see the moon in incredible detail, the perfect gift for girls and boys interested in space, the moon, and astronomy. High-quality optical glass and finder scope. This easy-to-use telescope comes with a finder scope, low power, and high power eyepieces. When used correctly, this combination will allow your child to easily locate the moon and then zoom in for a close-up view. Tabletop tripod and smooth mount system. Use the included tripod to steady your lunar telescope for optimal viewing, with a smooth mounting system that allows easy scanning of the entire lunar surface. Perfect for beginners, this telescope is easy to assemble and use, making it ideal for young scientists and parents to enjoy together. 100% satisfaction guarantee. You and your child will love this lunar telescope. We take pride in the quality of our products and our mission to inspire a child's natural love of science. If you or your child had a negative experience with one of our products, we want to know so we can make it right. Number 4. Sealstron Power Seeker 50 AZ Telescope, Manual Alt-Azimuth Telescope for beginners, compact and portable, bonus astronomy software package, 50mm aperture. About this item, perfect entry-level telescope. The Sealstron Power Seeker 50 AZ is an easy-to-use and powerful telescope. This 50mm refractor telescope offers enough light-gathering ability to see planets, the moon's craters, and more. Manual yoke mount, navigate the sky with ease. The yoke mount features a slow-motion altitude rod for smooth and accurate pointing. Adjust the rod to the desired position, then easily secure it by tightening the cross knob. Compact and portable, the ideal telescope for adults and kids to use together. The Power Seeker is compact, lightweight, and portable. Take it to your favorite campsite, a dark sky observing site, or simply the backyard. Multiple accessories. The Sealstron Power Seeker 50 AZ telescope comes with 4 eyepieces plus a 3x Barlow lens to triple the power of each. You'll also receive a free download of one of the top-rated astronomy software programs. Unbeatable warranty and support. Buy with confidence from Sealstron, a leading telescope brand in California since 1960. Your purchase includes a 2-year US warranty and unlimited support from our team of US-based experts. Number 3. Equatorial Telescope for beginners, compact and portable, bonus astronomy software package, 127mm aperture. About this item, perfect entry-level telescope. The Sealstron Power Seeker 127 EQ is an easy-to-use and powerful telescope. This 127mm Newtonian reflector offers enough light-gathering ability to see planets, the moon's craters, distant stars, the Orion Nebula, and more. Manual German equatorial mount. With its slow-motion altitude rod, the German equatorial mount allows you to navigate the sky with ease. Find celestial objects quickly and follow them smoothly and accurately as they appear to drift across the night sky. Compact and portable, the ideal telescope for adults and kids to use together. The Power Seeker is compact, lightweight, and portable. Take it to your favorite campsite, a dark sky observing site, or simply the backyard. Multiple accessories. The Sealstron Power Seeker 127 EQ telescope comes with two quality eyepieces, 20mm and 4mm, plus a 3x Barlow lens to triple the power of each. You'll also receive a free download of one of the top-rated astronomy software programs. Unbeatable warranty and support. Buy with confidence from Sealstron, a leading telescope brand in California since 1960. Your purchase includes a 2-year US warranty and unlimited support from our team of US-based experts. Number 2. Sealstron 70mm Travel Scope, Portable Refractor Telescope, Fully Coated Glass Optics, Ideal Telescope for Beginners. Bonus astronomy software package about this item: superior optics. The Sealstron 70mm Travel Scope features high-quality, fully coated glass optics, a potent 70mm objective lens, a lightweight frame, and a custom backpack to carry it all. Its quality is unmatched in its class and against competitors. Powerful eyepieces for up-close viewing. Our telescope for astronomy beginners is equipped with two high-quality eyepieces, 20mm and 10mm, that provide low and high power views of celestial objects at night and terrestrial objects during the day. Large 70mm objective lens. Our refractor telescope is equipped with a large 70mm aperture objective lens that provides enhanced, brighter views compared to the 50mm model while adding very little additional weight. Setting up and using the travel scope is quick and easy. Bonus bag, tripod, and software. This Sealstron telescope and full-height tripod can be taken anywhere in the included travel backpack. Accessories also include a free download of one of the top consumer-rated astronomy software programs. Unbeatable warranty and customer support. Buy with confidence from the world's #1 telescope brand, based in California since 1960. You'll also receive a 2-year warranty and unlimited access to technical support from our team of US-based experts. Number 1. Sealstron AstroMaster 70 AZ Telescope, Refractor Telescope, Fully Coated Glass Optics, Adjustable Height Tripod. Bonus astronomy software package about this item: brand Sealstron model name 21061 optical tube length 27 inches eyepiece lens description 70 objective lens diameter 70 mm telescope mount description altazimuth mount product dimensions 14.96 d x 5.12 w x 3.94 h focus type manual focus finder scope star pointer trademark red dot finder scope item weight 18 pounds. Quick and easy no tool setup permanently mounted star pointer erect image optics, ideal for terrestrial and astronomical use quick release dovetail attachment, no tool setup pan handle Alt-AZ control with clutch, for smooth and accurate pointing. Optical lens diameter 2.6.